Hello, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to unbox the book box as usual because I just can't, like, today only I received it and just can't wait to unbox it. So this is the box, this is my box, and let's unbox it and see. I haven't done a single thing right now, like I haven't even opened the wrap of the box because I went out somewhere. So I just received the parcel and kept it, and just, so this time I bought the thriller box. This is their packaging. It's beautiful as usual. So this is the first time I bought the thriller box, that is a dark chocolate box, and I think I will not be able to open it because I have missed my knife. So let's see, I can open it like this. Yeah, I can. Fine. So basically I am not a pro in opening boxes. This is what I understood today. So basically let me tell you meanwhile while opening the box is that they have this Melody Unix. They have two types of book boxes, and mostly I buy their vanilla book box, but this time I bought their dark chocolate book box. So here we will get two thrillers, I guess, and a few goodies as usual. So right, I have to tear it from here as well. Okay. Basically I left the cutter over there before starting the shoot, so yeah, it is taking more time. Please mind with me. Yeah, so let me show you the box. Wow. So pretty. Okay, even the letter is of dark color. Wow, I mean, yeah, so I should have bought this before, but I was not in that state of mind to read a thriller, so I was going for the normal genre of reading big different books. Wow, this is so pretty. I mean, oh my god. uh, Please tell me what is this, because otherwise I will sound okay. What is this? This is beautiful, but what is this? I want to know. I don't know what is this. Something related to books, of course. Fine, please don't think I don't know anything. Because okay, so this is a book. Wow, the cover is so pretty. I don't want to open it. Can I keep it like this? Okay. This is the next book. Oh my god. I think this time this buying this is ruining me. Basically, I think from now I'm going to only buy this one. So they have given some protein bars as well, healthy snacks while reading books. So let's see what are the goodies they have sent. So let's see. I think this is a wow. I love, this Lottie Choco Pie. I used to eat it before, but now I don't eat that much. But yeah, this is fun. Let's see the next one. Something is there related to glass, I guess. The packaging is pretty. Wow. Okay. Nice. The things which you can actually eat and munch during reading books. So the jar is very pretty, the peanuts, and the jar is really pretty. I mean, this is beautiful. This is very beautiful. Okay, I hope it's done, and I'll open the books, the main highlight of the day. Okay, let me first open this one. Wow, so nice. I'm going to keep these also. I keep basically everything, I keep all the letters, all the packagings, and that is basically taking a lot of space of my, it's taking a lot of space. But still, I can't control myself. I just can't throw anything away, when they are doing it with so much love and everything. So I don't want to throw anything. And this wrapping paper is also so beautiful that I don't want to tear it open. Wow. Okay, it is. I have seen this one was releasing. This is Lisa Jewels. It could have been her. And wow. Oh my god, I want to start it right now. Okay, so this is about, it was a night she almost died. This is the blurb, and if you want I can read it for you. I don't know you will get bored or not. Jane Trevelyan, newly divorced and feeling a little lost, agrees to accompany a man she doesn't know to his house in the darkest corner of Hampstead Heath. She's offered a drink, goes in, and then a scream and the sound of something falling upstairs. Jane senses she's in a bad place. She runs. 25 years later, Jane finds herself outside the same house, this time to return a small white dog who's been found near her home in the country, and that is why the bookmark is about the dog. You see the connection with the book. A fleeting glimpse of a haunted-looking woman through the window sends Jane on a mission to uncover the house secrets. Secrets more terrifying than she could have ever imagined, especially when she realizes it could have been her. Oh my goodness. What is this all about? This is, oh my god. Okay. I mean, the book, the font is also very nice, you know. This is the best size of the font which I love the most. Right, let me show you the other one. Okay, this is the next book. This one is the next one. Let me open it. Right, I know I'm taking more time today than my other videos. Wow, because this is the thriller, you know. Thriller is something different. We should give some more time to this particular genre. It just blows my mind away. I just get, you know, my sleep goes when I read thrillers. That's why I don't read them much. Okay, it's Molka. I hope I'm spelling it correctly. Monica Kim is the author. Now I haven't heard anything about this book, and that is great, I guess. Wow, the color is so pretty. I mean, how can this be a thriller? I mean, see, the cover of the book is so pretty. The back side is also pretty. It's okay, so it's a translation. Yeah, the Korean term for spy camera, secretly and illegally installed, often to capture voyeuristic images and videos. Wow, I mean, this is going to be very good, I think, because I am reading a very good book. The author is English author, I guess. Is this an English author? I feel so. I don't know, information is not given anywhere, but yeah, the book is pretty. You see, number of pages are also very less, so you can just finish it in one sitting if you really want to. 278 pages. So the book is really good, and the cover, oh sorry, the bookmark is this one. Again, a matching bookmark, which I really love. That, you know, when I get bookmarks, I don't have to select the bookmarks which I want to use while reading the book. So these books help me do that. Like, it saves my time and energy, because already I keep the bookmarks inside my books. I don't have to think much. So I just want to show you this book which I'm reading right now, though of course this is out of the main part of the video, but this is Strange Pictures by Uketsu. And you know, I have never loved a book this much. I mean, this is going to be like my top most favorite books till now which I have read in my entire life till now. So this is like a beauty. This is like a, I don't know, I don't have words to explain. I have not yet finished it though. I am in page 159, and today only I'm planning to finish it. Of course I'll finish it today. So this is such a great book. This is like a series. They have 2 more books. I'm going to talk about the series after I finish the entire series. Like, after reading 3 books, I really want to dedicate one video to this particular series. I mean, oh my god, I'm sure the other 2 books are great. I've heard somewhere a few people, those who mainly focus on translation writings, and they read books which are translated. So from them I have listened that this is a great book, and actually it is. I mean, oh my god, I am really in love with this one. I don't have words. Truly, I never felt such a great pleasure, as well as, you know, the anticipation while reading a book. I am feeling this after so long. I mean, oh my god. So this is the book. Just I wanted to share it with you. So yeah, this much for today's video. and I will share the link of their website from where I have bought the book box. If you really want to explore reading, if you want to read something, if you want someone to send you books blindly, you can trust this particular website, this particular people behind this particular book box subscription, because they are great and they send just mind-blowing books. Trust me, whatever they have sent till now, they are wonderful. I mean, I have read most of the books which they have sent, like I recently read Andromeda, I read Forget Me Not Library, I read Lost Lambs, and all of them are so great. I mean, I'm mind-blowing by the choice of the books they have. So right now I trust these people blindly. And so if you don't know which book to pick, if you are like in dilemma, because there are so many people now talking about books, and that's a very good thing, of course, but people get kind of confused what to pick, whether I'm going to like it or not, whether this is going to be a good book for me. So at least if you go with this subscription, at least 2 books every month you can read, and trust me on this, you are going to enjoy the books which they pick. So let me show for the very last time before I finish the video. These are the books for this month's subscription, and I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to read both the books in this month, I guess. First I'm going to finish the series which I'm reading right now, then I am thinking of starting this one. Now I don't know, I can start before also, like no plans, right? I am like a great mood reader, you know. No one should follow my reading habits because it's very bad. I am a very bad I'm like a very bad mood reader, I feel so, because I start so many books together in the beginning of the month, and then I don't finish all of them. Like what I do, basically I just wanted to share this with you. What I do is basically I start a few books like in the beginning of the month, 4-5 books, and then what I do, according to my wish, according to the the feel of the book, I finish them. So that's what I mostly do. But then this month I think I started another book in my Kindle, but I'm not reading it right now. I have jumped to this Strange Pictures, and I am loving it. So I of course want to finish it first, right? So this is what is happening with me. I don't know any one of you are in this particular loop of mine that you are not being able to stick to your TBR. I am not being able to stick. Like I don't even make any TBRs right now. I just don't do that. Like when I finish a book, I plan to finish a book, certain number of books in a month, and then when the new month starts, I just start with one book and then I go one into another. Like this is what is happening with me. So if anyone is following my Goodreads profile or Fable, whatever I am following right now, so they will understand what haphazardly I am reading books right now, very haphazardly. So I'm going to make a very soon before the month ends, I'm going to make one video where I have finished whatever books I'm going to finish this month, and I will of course talk about them in detail. So okay, bye bye, take care. And if you like my videos, though I am not so regular, of course I am not so regular, I know I am very irregular in YouTube, but still if you like it, you can give it like a subscribe or share whatever you want to think. Any book you have read recently, recommend me. So okay, bye bye, take care.